Okay, so hi everybody. My name is d.santiago Gonzalez. I am 30 years old. My job in the actuality is with a policeman. My job is intelligence in the institute. I told you about my my wedding and my honeymoon. Okay, next I'm introducing the five activity. Okay, so okay, I told you about Cancun, Mexico, and say you different tips go to Cancun. In February 2016, I went to Cancun. It was great. I went there with my wife in our honeymoon. We stayed in a beautiful hotel. I visited different places like Chichen Itza and the Xcaret Park. Everything in that place is a beautiful and magical. I stayed in Cancun 1 week. Okay, so I told you about Xcaret Park. Okay, the water in Cancun. The water in Cancun is a fantastic. Is a warm but not so hot. Okay, I many recommendations in this park. Okay, it is recommended that you wear sunblock. It's very important for your skin, for your hair, so whatever. It is important that you wear sunglasses. It is necessary that you wear comfortable shoes to go to Scary Park because you need to walk all park and all day. Is you finish it only many tired. Okay, it is good idea you go to the tour of the park be swimming. It is better that you wear and change clothing. It is important that you take pictures of everything. It is necessary that you take snacks there. What you should do if plan to you go to Cancun, you should check price of transport and hotels once you are there. It is better to buy the tickets for the tour when you arrive in Cancun. What you should don't do. You shouldn't buy food in Park Scarlet. It is so too expensive there. You shouldn't not go without a good camera. Okay? Thanks you all you people. The next time told more tips can you travel in the park of the Cancun, Mexico. Thanks.